If 8% of an amount is $48, what is the full amount of the money? I'm going to start off by saying 8% is $48. That's all I have to write. I don't put any equal signs. 8% is 48. I want to get to the full amount. Now, 8% or the full amount will be 100%. So I want to get down to 100%. To go from 8% to 100% is not easy. So what I'm going to do is I'm first going to go to divide by 8 so I can get to 1%. So I'm going to divide by 8. That is going to give me 1% is, and 48 divided by 8 is $6. If you get a decimal, so if you get a number, a decimal number here, do not round off. Just use the value as is. Now I'm going to say to get from 1% to 100%, I'm going to multiply by 100. I'm going to multiply by 100. 6 times 100 is $600.